How to delete cookies on Google Chrome. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up Google Chrome and then click on the three dots at the top right of the screen and then click on settings. And here you need to scroll down to the basics section, and from there click on privacy and security, then click on clear browsing data, where you can clear history, cookies, site data, and cache. And once you're on this page, you can see the first option is the drop down, the time range drop down, from which you can choose the time range that you want to delete the cookies for. Say for example, last day or last 4 weeks or all times. I'm just going to set this to last day. And once you do that, make sure that all of the boxes are unchecked except the cookies and site data. Check only that box, and once you do that, click on clear data at the bottom right, then click clear. This is just a confirmation box, and there you have it. You just cleared cookies on your search engine. So that was it for this video. That's how you can delete cookies in Google Chrome. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.